Hello everyone, I'm Sandil Kumaran. In this video, we are going to see how to demonstrate experiment number 2 information gathering in ethical hacking techniques. In order to gather information, we need to proceed with several steps. As a step number 1, we need to gather information using a website name, for example, google.com or else some other names. In order to gather information, opening command prompt. To gather information, type this command whois and a pizzahut.com is an example website name. It will provide an information of domain name like Pizza Hut and registrar domain ID, some ID names, and registrar who is server, registrar URL, update date, creation date, registrar expiry date, registrar CSS corporate domain, like that. Some information will be displayed, also their contact number, and we will get some status of domain, and then some name servers and etc. We can gather the information of a unknown website through this whois command in a command prompt. Now let us move to the Chrome, and I will show some other platforms to gather informations. If you go to whois website, then enter the domain here or IP. If I enter a domain, example Pizza Hut, I have been entered. We can gather the information regarding the domain. Similar to the command prompt, we can also have in Chrome browser. This is a whois website where we can get the information of a website. So for example, pizzahut.com is an example website where we can gather the information of enter the domain. For example, domain informations, register informations, registrar contact IDs, and administrative contacts and technical contacts. This related domain information will be gathered using this whois website. And there is another website we need to know to complete this information gathering experiment, is known as IP2 location. We have entered an example IP address named as IP address 8.8.8, where we can look up for the result like IP address, country, region, city, local time, domain, network speed, and the information for IP2 location will be shown below. And the next website is Wayback Machine. In this we can explore the web pages, calendar, activities, collections, changes, summary, and similar to that we can able to see the timeline of Chrome usage. See, from 2002 to 2025 we can see the timeline of the Chrome usage details. Like we can enter into summary. In this we can gather information regarding many other applications like Java, PDF, and this like etc. JSON. So the start of the year of a Chrome or Google is given, and the end is given. So this is a summary of a Chrome. We can be identify using Wayback Machine website. These are the basic information gathering websites we can found through network. Now again we are going to see another commands using Nmap, where Nmap is a network manager. In this we can get the information of an example website, like flipkart.com is an example website I have been entered here. We can get the information of usage of the port of that Flipkart. For example, 80/TCP is port they are using, and open state, in open state with a service of HTTP, and another 443 TCP and with the open state with the service of HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol, secured. So this sort of information can be gathered using Nmap, and performing the another command named whatweb. /v stand for version. If we enter this command /v and a and an example website name, we will get an information of their status, title, IP, country, and summary, and what are the related plugins they are using, and what are the HTTP headers that will be provided using whatweb command. We can get the access for the many sort of information in a website using this whatweb command. And then we will proceed with the traceroute/t. Savita ac.in is an example website we are using here. Traceroute/t, if we perform this, we will get an operation not permitted as a result. In order to get an permit, we need to run through sudo. It will ask our password as an permission. If you enter a password, it will give the information regarding the Savita. /t stands for TCP. We will get the information of packets through this. Star indicates we can't fetch the details because it's a biggest domain with a secured database, so the packets are not invisible for us. And then another command similar to the traceroute/u is a Udemy and an example website. It is also used to get information from a example website. The gateway of savita.ac.in has been clearly given here. So this is what information gathering in ethical hacking. Thank you for watching this video.